For gas compression customers in Canada, my job essentially is the liaison between the customer and Finning Canada and Caterpillar. So finding the right resources for the customers when they need them and getting them lined up for them. Number one thing that our customers come to us for is our technical skill and knowledge, our parts and parts availability. We have a really close relationship with Caterpillar, and just having that technical support and backup is key to all our customers. Uptime is everything. Without an engine running, that means we're not making production, we're not making money. The rebuild parts that we have available at Finning Canada are heads, turbos, water pumps, hydraulics, pumps, pre-chambers, GAVs. Pretty much any component on the engine that can be rebuilt is part of the exchange program. All of our customers have access to exchange components and the rebuilds done by OEM manufacturing. These components are certified rebuilds through Caterpillar, so you know that when you get your exchange part installed on your equipment, it's going to work. In our service agreements, we include maintenance scheduling, parts scheduling and ordering, oil sampling, connectivity so that all parties can see what's happening and when it's happening. There's component rebuilds that get put into the service agreement. We try to utilize all facets of Caterpillar support and Finning support. Probably the biggest part the customers really appreciate about the service agreements is knowing that they have backing and the confidence of Caterpillar and Finning. The other thing they like is the predictable costs, so they know what they're going to spend on their engines over a certain period of time. They can budget for it. It's easy to maintain. They know that it's being looked after the way it needs to be. Using all CAT components, you're guaranteed that you're going to get the life out of that component that you expect at a reasonable cost. Working with a CAT dealer gives you the confidence that the maintenance and parts being used on your equipment are certified and backed by Caterpillar. We have direct contact through many means with Caterpillar and their support network. So any issues or problems that may arise, whether it be a failed component or running issues, you know that we've got your back and got it solved.